Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook 5-digit code not received. If you're using Facebook and you're trying to log in with your Facebook account, but you're facing the issue that whenever you want to receive a code, you didn't receive the Facebook 5-digit code. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to a VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go to App Store, go for search and search for Facebook, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Facebook app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that you have the network signals and the cellular. If you don't have, you just have to try to switch to an area with whether you have best network signals. Or you can also try to reset your network setting because sometimes it might be that your network setting have an issue. So you can easily fix that by resetting your network. So open your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.